I'm presenting. I am Arshana SP Karnool. I think I should share my screen.
You can.
Is it visible now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now I'm going to present this concept Mahila Mitra. It is basically now we have violence and unsafe environment that can hold women from expressing themselves in any kind of work, be it a part of society or at workplace and in economy. So we want to remove the barriers of unsafe environment so that women can perform better with respect to as an individual and as contributors to the work communities and economies. So how do we remove such barriers? When we take the criminal justice system, we have police, we have judiciary, and we have correctional systems, we have victims, and we have offenders. Now there is no community partnership. So the idea of Mahila Mitra is to make sure that community is part of the this process in order to ensure that safe environment is there for women. That is the basic idea of this Mahila Mitra. So what it is? It is basically community partnership, and it organizes in this way. We have police stations in each mandal. So we have women police also in the police stations, but still there is lot of hesitation to come to the police station. So what we have done, we have created these Mahila Mitra structure, as in there will be volunteers from each village who are constituted as Mahila Mitra members, and there will be one Mahila Mitra coordinator in police station. That Mahila Mitra coordinator is a woman, and that woman will coordinate with these Mahila Mitras from villages. So basically these Mahila Mitras are women from each village. So there will be regular interactions with Mahila coordinator and Mahila Mitra. So these Mahila Mitras, what they do, they have good relationship with the people around. So any issues with respect to women's safety, sexual harassment, domestic violence, all that, they'll easily come up to the police station and they can get the justice. And some of the cases where they don't need to go to the police station, it is just counseling is enough, and that is done by Mahila Mitra coordinator who is a police person. And it is basically to prevent the crimes against women and to ensure that each and every incident is reported, so that when incidents are reported at the very initial level, it is possible to prevent them at the higher level. That is the basic idea. And also to make community a partner to this is the major step in this Mahila Mitra. And with this we have so many cases. One of them is in Vijayawada. We have this one unmarried woman was carrying, and that woman, through these Mahila Mitras and Anganwadi workers, we could able to crack that, and that entire child selling racket was busted in Vijayawada. That is only one of the examples, and there are many examples where in most of the tribal areas there are women who would not know what is an offense, and they would undergo continuous violence, but they don't report because they don't know that it is a violence. They think that it is a way of life. So our Mahila Mitras and our Mahila Mitra coordinators go to villages, and also they conduct awareness camps as well. And by everyday interaction, they create awareness to ensure that there is a change with respect to women's safety. And majorly, as I said before, one PC or WHC like head constable or ASI, who is a woman, will be Mahila Mitra coordinator, and there will be one in every police station. And we create awareness campaigns in rural and urban areas. And also, apart from being in uniform, we also send some people in civis for lurking beats and wherever there are some risk-prone areas. And as we interacting daily basis with different women, we know where are these risk areas, like where there is not much of lighting, but there is a passage for school or any tuition, or which is possible for any kind of inconvenience for women, we ensure that lurking beats are working there. And also we also work with other NGOs and whoever is willing to work for this particular cause. And so what do this Mitra coordinator, Mahila Mitra coordinator does? It ensures registration of cases and conducting awareness campaigns, and also creating, as I said earlier, most of the women do not know that they are undergoing violence or their rights are violated. So by creating awareness among people, we bring them to the courts. So that actually helps in prevention of crime in a long run. And also as we interact with people, we are creating awareness about the our helpline numbers, be it Dial 100 and Cyber Mitra, just now, which Madam has explained. All those, what are the available helplines they have, we create awareness about that as well. And as I said earlier, we also identify risk prone areas. Those risk prone areas are nothing but where there is inconvenience for women with respect to lighting or with respect to people around or any other inconvenience. So what do we get about this? Women can easily approach people for help. That is one major thing. And as when small incidents are being reported, being addressed, being resolved, so perpetrators will be afraid to do something more, something big. So that itself is a great factor with respect to women's safety. And no need to say that access to police has been increased, and number of FIRs with respect to this initial, like be it sexual harassment, teasing, so all of that are being reported and they are ended up in being FIRs, not just unnoticed things now. And most of the things are resolved.
I have lost your voice.
I think some internet issues. Ma'am?
Through counseling and guidance as well.
Yeah, we lost you in between. You can continue.
Some connectivity issue?
I think so, sir. Ma'am, you're can you unmute, ma'am?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. So these are the meetings that we are conducting along with our police personnel and Mahila Mitras. We actually educate them that how can they approach us, and also and very little bit about laws also in a language and in a way that they understand. So these are the different meetings that we have conducted. These are the only sample pictures only, and we also release these posters so that they can reach at large. And also we also conduct these kind of awareness meetings in colleges, schools, and also in the villages, and it is being implemented all over the state. Here you can see our Mahila Mitra coordinators going to the schools and
Ma'am, your
creating
PPT is
awareness.
stopped, ma'am. Can you share the PPT again? The PPT is stopped.
Yeah.
And I request you to conclude in 2 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm. Can you see the PPT now?
No, ma'am. You can share it again. The option in the bottom of the Zoom meeting, there is a share screen.
See,
Yes,
these
yes.
are the
It's visible now.
these are the various meetings that we are conducting at schools and villages, and then we conduct different meetings, and then we advocate about our helplines and also how they can reach out to police and how we are going to address it. Is basically a strengthening mechanism where we actually create confidence, build confidence in women that their problems, their issues are heard, and we are here to resolve them. So these are the different meetings that we are conducting. And to conclude, it is basically an initiative where we are making community as a part of a criminal justice system, especially with respect to women's safety and crime against women. I'm done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Gupta ji, please ask.
I have one or two small questions.
Yeah, please, sir.
What is the impact in terms of crime against women? Has it reduced by this, or the reporting has gone up?
Sir, yes, sir. I don't say it is reduced, sir. Now, the number of cases that are registered, be it 354 or 354A, eve teasing, those have gone high, sir, because earlier those which are not unnoticed or unregistered, those are being reported now. But when it comes to, as you said, number of cases increased because it is only because of the reporting. And if this trend continues in future, there will be actual reduction of crime. Now, reporting of crime is increased because there is access to the police.
Agreed. But has it helped in increasing the conviction rate?
Yes, sir. We have this, apart from Mahila Mitra coordinators, SDPO level officer is monitoring trial process also in every district. So they will be briefing for the witnesses, all that. So now that it started a year back, there is definitely, there were good convictions, and that trend is going on, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Madam, you said it's there for the last 1 year. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This program is there for the last 1 year.
Yes, sir. More than 1 year.
So how many cases you have resolved?
Sir, it depends on district to district, sir. And I don't have.
Overall, if you can give some.
Sir?
Overall, if you can give us some idea, no?
Sir, most of the, for example, I will take one district, sir. For example, if I take Vijayanagaram, which is a smaller district in Andhra Pradesh, we used to have daily, we have 46 police stations. In a day, we used to get around some 20 complaints, sir, out of which were ended up as FIRs would be around 3 or 5. And all others will be dealt with counseling, sir. In a day, I am talking, sir. So it could be same for all over the years.
Are you covering domestic violence also?
Yes, sir. More than us, it is through Mahila Mitra coordinators, sir. Because Mahila Mitras belong to the same village or same community where the offender and the victim belong to. And the victim always do not want to file a case because the offender is the husband. So these Mahila Mitra coordinators and Mahila Mitras would counsel the husband and the victim also. So that will be resolved through, most of the times, through counseling only.
And how frequently you are conducting these type of meetings with the children or school children or women?
Yes, sir. Before this corona pandemic, Mahila Mitra coordinator has to visit one village or one school every day, sir. It is an everyday affair. And because of this pandemic now, we are operating through WhatsApp groups. They have already created WhatsApp groups with Mahila Mitra coordinators. Now it is only through WhatsApp. Earlier, each Mahila Mitra coordinator had to visit a school or had to conduct a meeting.
Okay.
Once in a day.
Thank you.
Thank you.